Write a letter to your brother advising him about the preparation for the examination who is neglecting his studies. एग्जामिनेशन हॉल लिखना है, दी लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं, ABC रोड या ABC एरिया कराची और यहाँ डेट आ जाएगी। डियर यहाँ पे कोई अली वगैरह नाम लिख रहे हैं, लड़कियाँ जो है आमना अनाम इस तरह से छोटे छोटे नाम, ताकि स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक का कोई चांस ना रहे। Hope you are fine, but mother has just informed me that you are not studying properly. You should consider your responsibility of studying, as this is your final semester, and any negligence in studies will spoil your future career, and you would not get admission in a good institution. Pay your full attention on your studies. I want you to concentrate on examinations seriously and send me your progress every week. We all are praying for your success. Work hard and achieve the desired results. Take nice care, please. Your lovely sister ABC। ABC नहीं आएगा, यहाँ क्या आएगा? XYZ।